Good morning everyone. My name is Marvin YRAY, and for today's task I've assigned to work this job to install this hydraulic pump. This hydraulic pump was newly assembled by rebuild section, and first of all we introduced my tools to use: flat screw, ratchet wrench, socket, and combination wrench. And also we will refer to manual. And let's do this. First, here, this section where we install the hydraulic pump. And first, before we install, we make sure that this hydraulic pump has pre-lubrication to make sure there's an oil inside of it. Yes, and you can see there's an oil inside, and we are ready to install it. Rusting here. And I forgot to mention we're using our safety purposes for our goggles, hard hat, and safety vest, the gloves also. Make sure that no one will hurt. And here you go. Okay. And installing on it. It's difficult to use gloves, so make sure that the bolt was installed. Yeah, then here we go. It's gloves. Then now we use the tools. We use the 14 combination wrench. We'll tighten it properly so the pump will not move. And goes. Seated properly. Okay. Now move the pump backwards so we can tighten on it. Yeah, a little bit hard in here. Oops.
Hindi mo may screenshot ka meron. Hindi mo may screenshot.
Hindi nga.
Then we tighten the adjuster, the bracket.
Sumala pa lang naman.
Then next, we're going to install the hose. This one will be installed here. From this hose from the tank will supply oil through the pump. Hose. Yes. And we're going to tighten it. So a flat screw. Tighten the clamps. Good. Next one, we install the supply hose through the control valve of the hydraulic system.
Video mo tama.
Use the 27 combination range. Properly. That's good. Next one is the okay, and we're finished. Then the last one also to check the pump and the fittings, bolts were all were tightened. We just recheck oil. Check. Tighten. Good. In here. Yes. And we're finished installing the new pump. And that's all for today. Okay. And that's all for today. Thank you.